If you have one or more high balance credit card debts and need to settle your debt for less than you owe, a credit card debt settlement program could save you a substantial amount of money. Now, when credit card companies decide to sell off what's termed as bad debt to debt collection agencies, it's not unusual for credit card companies to sell the debt for as little as 10 cents on the dollar. This is not to say that credit card companies will agree to settle credit card debt for as little as 10% of the amount owed. But it does stand to reason that credit card companies are often willing to accept a reasonable offer from consumers in distress who offer to pay what they can't afford. A free debt relief analysis can provide you a savings estimate for credit card settlement. How much debt settlement could save you depends largely on the amount of credit card debt involved, your current financial situation, and the debt settlement policies of your individual creditors.